This is cultural lag, right? Cultural lag, right? Cultural lag. So, what is this concept of cultural lag? Look, as I said, culture broadly classified material culture and non-material culture, right? And the speed of growth and development of material culture, the speed of innovations, right, technological development has been higher than that of non-material culture in societies, right? And what happens, because of this is very related to the speed, right, of cultural growth and development. Non-material culture, material cultural growth development is higher than that of non-material culture, right? The spread popularity of material culture is higher than that of non-material culture, isn't it? So it often like the lag often happens between material and non-material culture, right? Like with example, you will understand better. Like material aspect of material culture, computer, right? Non-material culture, literacy, education, right? So if we take example of Indian society, in Indian society, the literacy rate is low. In many states, literacy rate is far below, like in northern states, in comparison to southern states, like Kerala now, literacy rate is very low, right? But accessibility of computer, smartphones, mobile phone is high, right? So what we see is there is lag between material and non-material. Many people are not aware about operating computers, right? Like government has announced, like universalization of vaccination, and it is mandatory for vaccination for the age group of 18 to 45 to register themselves on the portal. But because of illiteracy, computer illiteracy, or because of lack of knowledge of operating computers, lack of accessibility to computers, isn't it? Even if like cyber cafes are there, but people are not aware about how to operate, and people are susceptible about losing their identity or their data and all. So what we see, like still large number of people have not enrolled. Large number of people are yet to enroll for vaccination, right? So this is aspect of culture lag. Why this is? So this is basically aspect of culture lag. Ki computer is there, but the knowledge how to operate computer is not there. Education is not there, literacy is not there. So this is the situation of cultural lag. Simple terms में cultural lag refers to gap between material culture and non-material culture. In simple terms, cultural lag refers to gap between or lag between material culture and non-material culture, right? Material culture and non-material culture. Material culture is there, right? But people are not aware about, isn't it, how to deal with that material aspect of culture, right? So that is referred as cultural lag, cultural gap, right? Okay. So this is